What it dooski YouTube, it's your boy Malcolm checking back in, and I hope all has been well. And today is actually my birthday. Well, honestly, it depends when I upload this video, but yeah, I'm turning 26, and with that, it's time to get some gifts. Usually I would opt for some shoes, some clothes, accessories, etc, etc. But this year I wanted to do something different, and in terms of what I got, maybe this will be a hint. But before all that, I gotta give a huge shout out to Vitaly for sending over a care pack and blessing your boy with accessories that I've honestly been wearing like every day. For those of you who don't know what Vitaly is, it's actually an experimental design studio stemming out of Toronto, Canada, who specialize in genderless accessories, a lot of which being stainless steel or recycled materials. So I opted for stainless steel just based on my aesthetic, and it does not disappoint. So you can actually see two of them right here already. We have the tilt ring on one finger, and we also have the Ferris ring on the other. And these are fire. They also sent out a couple of other things, one of which being the Talon ring, the XXX ring, which is really a statement piece. And they also sent over the interface, which is not a ring, but a carabiner. And what that is something to really just hold your house keys, car keys, whatever it is. I've been using my same lanyard from high school for years, and that was worn out. So I figured, why not get something more functional and stylish? And when I saw that on the website, it was a no-brainer, honestly. In addition to me getting this care package, Vitaly managed to make sure that all of you got a little something too. So with that in mind, they actually opted to give you a free $25 gift card. And all you gotta do to redeem it is visit the link in the description. It's really as simple as that. So whether you wanna buy something for yourself, for your friend, for your cousin who's twice removed, easy as clicking the link in the description. And as well, I'm gonna leave their Instagram and the relevant information so you can check out the site and you can check out the brand for yourself. You'll really be able to see what I'm talking about in terms of the timeless aesthetic and the accessories they're able to deliver. Once again, huge shout out to Vitaly for sending over the pack. I've been wearing these things like every day, so I would definitely give it 2 big thumbs up. If there's one birthday wish I could ask for, it's that you slap the like button, subscribe if you're new, and follow me on Instagram if you haven't already. You're really missing out because you're gonna see exactly what I'm talking about today, but in the past, or the future, I guess, depending on how you think about it. But anyways, let's take a quick trip. We're gonna go pick up what I would consider definitely the biggest unboxing I did on this channel, and one of the biggest unboxings I have in my whole life in terms of the financial aspect, but I think it's worth it. I'll let you decide when we take a closer look, but yo, let's go. There's no more waiting. I waited over a month, so let's get it popping. But I'm still the same guy, just a humble guy. I got on the internet. This is crazy. It's gonna be one with my name on it somewhere. As you can see, the sun is beaming. And I got my car, and it was definitely worth the wait. Like, look at this. Yo, dog. On feet goes crazy too. But look at this. Come on, man. Save your money, count your chicken, save your pesos, and this could be you too. Ooh-wee. But hey, look, honestly, the biggest thing I need to do is obviously the delivery checklist. So I'm gonna go through that. Main thing I'm looking for is panel gaps. This looks good, this looks good. Things like that look very well. And actually the flushness of a bunch of materials, like you wanna be checking is this is flush, looks pretty good. You wanna be checking this is pretty flush. They did do some actual adjustments before I got here yesterday, and honestly it's not looking bad, man. I'm not seeing anything too crazy. Check out the wheels. You know, don't want to bore you with this, but I think any of you watching this, it may be a valuable lesson just to see what to look for. These things are looking pretty good, man. The back side, oh yeah, I want to check here too. It's kind of wide, but pretty much aligned. And it's symmetrical with this side too, which is sick. Here we go. Has no engine, right? So just motors. So we have a front. I already put my tripod in there. Obviously the pit picks are gonna go crazy, but you just want to make sure everything is straight and everything's in here. What's the name of that? A tow hook, actually. Only fluid you really need, obviously washer fluid. And then you're supposed to close this with 2 hands, but let's see if I can be a little bit risque. It's good to go. Don't want to hurt you. You do want to change the rims. The trunk, and for like sizing wise, you should be able to fit like 2 big luggage things or 2 golf bags back here, whatever they say. I don't really golf like that. I'm more of a mini putt guy. Secret compartment. Sick, a bag. So what's in here should be like the actual charging lid stuff, and that's what's in there. So supercharging and actually a adapter. That's good. So I just need to sign these documents. Everything looks good. Power lift gate. Man, this is crazy. one more time. Just take a look at this. Demon Town. I don't know what to name it. Give me some suggestions in the comments below. I'm inside the car. I really want to check everything in the interior is looking clean and all the technology is good to go. So they had the car for a little bit of extra time. Hopefully everything's looking good. So let's take a quick look. It's gonna be hard because I'm a little bit too tall for this right now, but like, man, honestly the camera's not doing it justice, man. This is booming. And look at the ceiling too, or the roof, the panoramic glass. Lots of cool things going on. A decent amount of room. I have to get mats for myself because they just come with the regular interior mats. But yeah, I'm just gonna take a quick look at this and I'll be back with you in a second. So yeah, I got a brand new car. I got a Tesla Model 3, the long range edition, and it is fire, man. Ooh-wee. But with that being said, I know this is mainly a fashion and clothing channel, but hey, I don't want to box myself in. If you're interested in seeing a closer look at my car, please let me know in the comments below. I'd be happy to show you. It's a lot to take in, and some of you may have never actually seen one in real life, so I would be happy to give you a closer look, because if I can do it, you can definitely do it too. And specifically, if it's something you're interested in, I'll let you know straight up how it's gonna work for me, because I don't have charging at my house, how the whole supercharging process works and all that fun stuff. But let me know. And more importantly, I hope you're having a great day. I appreciate each and every one of you for rocking with me from the jump. The channel's been around for a while now and the engagement has been crazy. So I appreciate you. I'm gonna go eat some cake, but new videos coming soon and I'll catch you in the next one. Deuces.